gonna start off by cutting the little piece that came at the end of the rope, and then I'm gonna use the tape to seal the end so I can be able to pull my beads through. Now I'm gonna start stringing my beads. You can do it in a pattern, or you can just use the same size, whatever you feel. I used the pattern, which was a big bead, a small bead, a medium bead, a small bead, and then I started all over again. Fine with the amount of beads that I have. Now I'm gonna start with my macrame. So this is macrame cord right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the end of the rope and I'm just gonna start out with a knot. What I'm doing here is called the Chinese staircase. If you're familiar with lanyard and you're like an 80s baby, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna do it really quickly here, and in the next clip it'll be more detailed and zoomed in so you can see it better. Okay, so you're just gonna grab the two cords, and then you're gonna take one of the cords and loop it underneath the two cords right here, and then you're just gonna put it through the opening and just pull. And you just could repeat this until it's long enough or to your liking. So now I'm just going to cut off the black string that came attached to the light. And then I'm going to create a knot over that. Okay, so now I'm going to attach my wooden ring. I'm going to take both pieces, enter them into the center of the circle, pull it all the way through as I'm doing here. Then I'm going to pull them through the center of the opening and pull that very tightly. Now I'm going to wrap it around and create another knot. Okay, so here I'm just creating one last knot with both of the strings before I trim it. Okay, so I'm just trimming off one piece, which was a shorter piece, and then this is really the final knot. And after I do this knot, I'm gonna actually trim the other side, and then I'm gonna secure both ends with hot glue. So you're just gonna let it dry, and then I actually attached it to my ceiling using a command hook. And yeah, I like how it came out. It came out really cute.